Hi there, would you like to know how to design a professional e-commerce header for free? If not, don't worry. We are here to help you. Because in today's video, we're gonna do it for you. We will be using Elementor Page Builder and ElementsKit for this tutorial, but you can also do the same design with other add-ons. We are going to build this header for our store, let's say. Top of this header, we have address info and social media links. After that, there is a website logo. And on the right side, we have clickable search option. In the center menu, we have a mega menu and a drop-down menu. Hope you have already installed and activated the Elementor and ElementsKit plugin. If not, the link of this plugin is available in the description box. In the start, go to the backend of a WordPress website and create a primary menu for the site. Enable it for the mega menu so that later on we can add mega menu here. Let's make the header panel now, and then we will add the mega menu later. In this next step, click ElementsKit menu and then header footer. Add a footer template and then click on Add New. Here in this panel, add a template name, then define it as a footer, check the conditions for full site, activate it, and finally click on the Save Changes. Now this is the footer and we need to edit it, so click on Edit Content and the panel is here to design the header area. Let's make it easy and fast to complete the design. Here are multiple pre-made templates available. I'm importing these templates now. On the top of the section, I want to upgrade the background color, information and social link. For this background color, I pick this color with the color picker add-ons on my browser. Now at the section, check the right side of your mouse and the edit intersection option. Here are the background color options. I'm adding and saving it now. In the header info section, click on the edit icon list, then remove the last one, update the information and update the color, and simply save it. In a similar process, hover over the right side, check edit social icons and update the links and color of the individual social connections. Now, what about the logo? Don't worry, it's pretty simple process. Click here, then update the image, update the link and save it. You see, on the right side, the search icon is so lovely. Still, if you want some minor adjustment in this icon or something, then click on the edit button, update it from this panel. On the menu, we have two tasks to do, drop down and mega menu. First, let's add the menu to this panel. From the select menu, define which menu you want to show as the primary menu. After that, update the typography, hover color and so on. Seems the drop-down menu is working fine. What do you think? Now it's the time for the mega menu. At first, make sure you save everything in this editing panel. Now exit it and move on the admin panel and menu again. Here you can see the menu, then the mega menu option. Now enable and save it. Now the design part. Click on the edit mega menu content and then the same process that we followed a moment earlier on the design menu. Click on the ElementsKit icon. After that, import a mega menu and update a content and links as much as you need. But for now, I'm just updating a basic layout with the demo data. So this is how you can design a professional e-commerce store heading for free. Yes, for free. You can also unlock advanced design and hundreds of actionable features with ElementsKit Pro. This is all about today's tutorial. Stay with us because we are going to publish more amazing videos related on WordPress very soon. Till then, cheers!